Okay, this is my message to the level 12 graduating students. I hope you don't mind. I have actually written my message here and just give it to you because I don't want to miss anything. I hope that it doesn't sound corny. Okay, here it is. A todos mis alumnos a punto de graduarse. Mientras comencéis una nueva etapa de vuestra educación, tened presente que en todo lo que hagáis, Dios debería estar en el centro de vuestros esfuerzos. No olvidéis que en todas las cosas debe existir el equilibrio, en particular entre la seriedad en vuestros estudios y la diversión en otros aspectos de la vida. Cuando logréis hacer esto, habréis matado 2 pájaros de un tiro. Por lo tanto, no solo aprenderéis los esenciales de la vida, sino que también os divertiréis en la lucha por cumplir vuestros sueños, haciendo así la vida estudiantil más significativa y no aburrida. Entonces, procurad hacerlo, animaros y un día veréis que todo vale la pena. A todos vosotros, gracias por haber sido parte de mi vida, por corto que haya sido nuestro encuentro. Como dicen muchos, las amistades se vienen y se van, pero los buenos recuerdos permanecerán vivos para siempre. Para concluir este corto mensaje, me gustaría transmitiros mi más sincera enhorabuena y os deseo la suerte y la felicidad del mundo. Que Dios os bendiga y hasta la próxima, amigos. The rough translation of the message that I have just given to you in Spanish is this, that as you start a new stage or phase of your life as students, you have to bear in mind that in everything that you do, you have to put God at the center of all your efforts. Don't forget that in all the things, there has to be a balance, particularly between the seriousness in your studies as well as just enjoying it, and together with your enjoyment in other aspects of your life. When you come to do these things, then you will just have killed 2 birds with 1 stone, as the famous cliche says. So in that sense, you will not only learn the essentials of life, but you will also enjoy and have a good time in your pursuit in making your student life more significant and not that boring. So you just try to do it. Encourage yourselves, never give up, and one day you will see that everything is just worth it. So to all of you, thank you very much for having been a part of my life, even if our encounter has just been short, only for 1 year, I being a Spanish teacher in level 12. As many people would say, friends come and go, but good memories will last a lifetime. So to end the short message, I would just like to send my warmest and sincerest congratulations to everybody, wishing you good luck and all the happiness in the world. God bless, and see you next time, friends. This is Vincent Cesar Momola.